Okay, so as we are doing the chapter number 4 of our class 8 history, tribals, decus, and the vision of golden age. So we have already completed the topic of Birsa Munda totally, even from the end page. And now in this video, I'm going to cover the topics, these two paragraphs of this page number, I don't know the page number. This is the first page of your chapter number 4. And secondly, the main topic of this video is about Jhum cultivators. Jhum cultivation means shifting cultivation. Okay, Jhum cultivation is equal to shifting cultivation. Both are same. Jhum cultivators is just a localized term given by Indian Jhum cultivators. Okay, now let's begin. So in the third paragraph of this chapter is what problems did Birsa set out to this paragraph. In this paragraph, basically there are a few questions given, and it is also mentioned that in this chapter the writer is going to answer these questions in this whole chapter. Okay, clear? Now the next paragraph comes. In this paragraph there's nothing, it's just about that the tribal people's tribe system and the caste system of Brahmanas, both were in both of them there is a comparison in between them. So that it is told that the Brahman system was really very restricted and has a very sharp social divisions between society, but the tribal system was not that restricted and not that sharp divisions were there in their society. But that doesn't mean that tribal peoples doesn't differ from each other socially or economically. Okay, now let's get to the main topic, somewhat Jhum cultivators. So for this I'm going to explain this topic through a flow chart, and I'm going to show that flow chart on your screen. So here is the flow chart. So the first thing comes that how shifting cultivators used to do this cultivation. Just suppose a tribal group moved from one place to another and in search of a good plot of land where they can grow crops, and they got the land. Okay, now they got the land. Now the vegetation, as this is the forest, so the vegetation over that land, they will simply cut those vegetation because they have to clear the path of sunlight to the soil so that the soil could develop itself. Okay, now they cut the vegetation. Now in the second process, here the second process, cut and burn. So in the second process they used to do the burn the vegetation over that land. This is the second one. They used to burn the vegetation over that land so that the ash of the plant products, after the burning of the plant products, that ash will provide potash. Okay, potash. Potash is simply a mineral for which is really good for crops and as well as soil. So this mineral was used to be provided by burning the vegetation of that plant of that land over that land. Okay, second process complete. Now they used to start the growth of the crops. They used to start the process. How do they start the process? First, we need to do in any agriculture, we need to do broadcast the seeds. Okay, and nowadays we know that there are seed drills. We have already learned about in the first chapter of a science book. There is about the whole chapter is about agriculture, and there are modern methods of seeds broadcasting and also the traditional methods. So nowadays we used to do with machinery seed drills. Okay, but before, in the settled agriculturers were used to do with some other methods. Funnel shaped things were used to broadcast the seeds, but only the tribal people used to just scatter the seeds. They don't put more attention towards the broadcasting of seeds. They just scatter the seeds over the land. Okay, now the crops grown up, and they also cut the harvested the crops. Now the crops are ready. Now these crops are going to be will be bought by the traders of the outside world of the forest, and those traders will give money to the tribal people, and from that money tribal people can also acquire their other needs that can't be catered by the forest. Okay, Now, tribal people got money, and this is how this whole economic system used to be done. But what about the land? After they grown up the crops, the land will lose its a little fertility. But later onwards, the shifting cultivators found that the land has not lost his much fertility, so they will again grow the crops until the land will get until the soil will get exhausted. They will grow the crops, and when the soil get exhausted, they just leave the land blank, means fallow, and they do nothing, because as soil is a nature product and nature replenish itself by itself, so the soil will also, may it will take some time. Okay, and then this process will again begin from other shifting cultivators. Okay, so this is how jhum cultivation used to be done. Now the thing comes that this shifting cultivation was used to be done in what parts of India, in which parts of India. So it was done in the hilly and forested tracts of northeast and central India. Central India, Madhya Pradesh, and around the states around Madhya Pradesh. Northeast part is that part of Bihar, Jharkhand, Dehradun, then Assam, and these all seven sisters are considered in the northeast or east part. In these regions, shifting cultivation was used to be done, and it is all about. And this shifting cultivation method shows that tribal people were allowed to freely they were allowed to freely move anywhere in forests. If they come out of the forest, the society will get a little disturbed, but if they are in the forest and they are moving, there's no issue with the outer world society also don't have any issues, and the forest society also have no issues. So this is how shifting cultivation used to be done, and here the word fallow is given, a field left uncultivated for a while so that the soil recovers fertility. So this is all about this topic. In the next video, we are going to cover the topic summer hunters and gatherers. But before ending this video, I want to tell you that please, 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 if you have any doubts, any queries, any questions, then comment down in the comment section. I'm gonna answer your all comments, all questions, all queries related with chapter as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you.